Ribs. I love ribs. Ribs are so good. Baby back ribs. Ribs with barbecue sauce. I love ribs.